Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start now. Confirm you have the portable router, SIM card if required, a charged battery, and a power cable. Insert the SIM or link the WAN modem, then plug in power and press the power button. Once the LEDs stabilize, connect your laptop or phone to the default Wi-Fi name printed on the device or use the provided Ethernet cable for a direct link. You're initiating the device so you can access its web admin page. This is how you take control of network settings. Once connected, open a browser and navigate to the router's admin IP, commonly 192.168.0.1, then log in using the default credentials. Go to WAN or Internet settings and choose the correct connection type, DHCP for most modems, static if your ISP provided one, or cellular with the APN for SIM-based routers. Enter any APN, username, and password if needed. Next, change the SSID to something memorable, select WPA2 or WPA3 encryption, and set a strong password so unauthorized users cannot join your network. Save your configuration and reboot the router so all changes take effect. Once it restarts, connect two devices and run a quick speed or page load test to verify internet access and coverage. Make sure to change the admin password and enable the router firewall, then check for and install firmware updates to secure the device. If you don't get internet, confirm the SIM has data or the WAN cable is seated. Test signal strength. Double-check APN or ISP settings and reboot both modem and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.